I'm an asshole. You remember me from high school. You remember from the party. It's still a bad idea. You remember I'm an asshole. You remember me from high school. You remember from that party. Oh, it's still a bad idea. I'm just a tough guy with no problem-solving skills. I'm just a weapon, and all I've ever known is abuse. $100,000 a year, directing traffic, spreading fear. Seems fair to me. That seems fair to me. It's just a bad idea. 'Cause I'm an asshole. You remember me from high school. You remember from that party. It's just a bad idea. You remember I'm an asshole. Oh, yeah. You remember me from high school. You remember from that party. It's just a bad idea. Their guns while they're doing their cocaine on the hip old apartment with one of my ex-cum bedroom. I know where the cops hide their guns while they're doing their cocaine on their hips old apartment, one of my ex-cum bedroom. How can I love you and the worst are among you? That song today. Made that song today.
We did it.
That's creativity right there. We want to encourage everybody to just be as creative as possible and just try to keep it together. That's what we're doing. So do like us. What do you say? Handcuffs part 2. Felt like that to me. Hell yeah. Is that what the people are saying? They get it. See? They get it.